Companies are wasting trillions of dollars enabling their revenue teams the wrong way. How do we know? Quota attainment is below 50%. Ramp time is taking too long to get our new hires productive. Win rates are far below expectations. Now, why is this happening? Companies are struggling to replicate success at scale. Companies haven't figured out how to get more of their sellers performing like their best. We figured it out. We've cracked the code with sales enablement. Welcome to Saleshood. My name is Eli Cohen, and I'm the CEO and co-founder. Our purpose-built, all-in-one sales enablement platform is designed to help companies boost the productivity of their teams fast. Companies like Yext, Sage, RingCentral, Domo, Drift, and many other hypergrowth companies depend on Saleshood to lift the productivity of their teams, to improve win rates, to go to market faster. Now, how do we do it? We know what great sales enablement looks like. Our platform engages teams in modern learning, coaching, and selling. We know our system works because we correlate sales enablement activity to sales performance data. Saleshood brings teams together to learn from each other. We have bite-sized videos, virtual learning, and pitch practice, coupled with gamified peer-to-peer feedback. So sales teams can learn from each other and learn from the best. Learning is reinforced by frontline managers with automated coaching, prescriptive coaching recommendations, and performance scorecards. Teams close more deals faster in Saleshood with just-in-time prescriptive content. You will finally know the impact sales enablement is having on your business. You'll know what's working and you'll know what's not working, and you'll be able to affect change immediately. We'd love to have a conversation to learn more about your business. We want to understand your current situation. So request a meeting and let's talk about what revenue problem you want to solve first.